Right, back here under Amy, Tom's 67 Grand Prix, we've had a lot of leaky power steering. As you can see, that thing is covered in schmutz. So, first order of business here, I'm going to undo the pin in the nut here, get the pitman arm off of the center link, and then we can begin preparing to drop out our box. There's our 3 bolts there. So I'm going to have to undo this brake line bracket, not a big deal. Pop these bolts out, get that out, get the steering coupler loose, which isn't too bad. And of course, the steering lines. Alright, here we go. Alright, so after plenty of beating, get the center link off the pitman arm. That mission's accomplished. Sanders trying to get ready to undo the hard lines up here. He just did the steering coupler. He took the bolt out of that, which is always a nice, lovely 12-pointed what have you. Alright. So like I said, I gotta get this brake line bracket out of the way, undo those 3. Away we go. Oh yeah, now you're on. Alright, so got the lines loose, that's easy enough. We did them at the pump. We're gonna just drop them out with a box. But I want to show all the rusty crust coming out of here. There's one of the bolts. Yeah, that's a whole lot of fun. There's a whole lot of rusty, crusty stuff going on in here. So, that's definitely a bit of a concern. I'm getting a rust. Oh, God.
A dust bath.
Watch that. Like, we're bound up now. Hold on, let me undo the other bolt. But you see all this schmutz coming out of there?
Yeah. Just saw that dust falling down.
Yeah, that's not a happy sign. Let's get this one out. I usually use a cordless for this, or an impact, but when you have something that potentially has a little rusty crusty going, you really want to be careful on disassembly. Oh my God.
Oh wow.
There's like spider webs and leaves and wow. Okay, let me get this last one to hopefully come out. Alright, wow. Okay, so Tom, I gotta get you bolts, dude. Look at how rust eroded that is. That is probably about half the strength it should be. You know what would not be fun? Going down the road and the steering box decides to unbolt itself from the frame.
Yeah, probably not.
That wouldn't be a blast. Anyway, so I've actually driven cars that have had the bolts like a couple threads loose because people did a shitty job. Yeah, that's fun. So now I'm going to try to go down here and catch the steering box without catching it with my face or breaking my arm, which, you know, that'd be fun too.
Totally.
We've had a lovely fun morning, so if I'm a little grouchy, Xander's probably like a little grouchy.
Yeah.
Have I been a four-letter C word this morning?
Yes.
Nice. Nice! Okay, so we're going to need to pop that baby off of there. Of course, even though it's unbolted.
It's not coming out.
Oh, there it goes. A little bit of wrestling. Alright, now come out, bitch. Alright, going down the starter cable. Dances with steering boxes. It's a new Kevin Costner film. It's It's a modern adaptation of Dances with Wolves.
It's coming.
Maybe. It's also heavy, and I don't want to bust myself in the head. But at this point, I'd rather go to the ER than be under a car, so...
Fair enough.
Hell with it at this point, eh? Come on, bastard. Oh, there we go. Alright. Mr. Xander,
Yeah.
can you go up and grab those lines and flip them over? Oh, alright. Xander helped me get those lines loose. I'm gonna roll out. Oh, yummy.
You look great.
I feel wonderful.
I bet.
There's Miss Nasty herself. Lovely. Wet back here. Oh yeah, there's where leaking out of the rear. It's a little wet here. Definitely leaking out of the rear of the box by the coupler. That's always the funnest place for it to leak. Oh wow. Get the light on. All right, we're back. Look at. Just spotted that in there. Let me get. That's why that bolt was so hard to get out. Did a load of Schwitz just come out when I did that?
Yeah. It's all falling out.
Oh my god! Okay, that's fun. Alright, so next time you see us.
Wow, you are covered.
Am I?
Yeah.
Do I look like I've been working on the coal mine or something?
Yes.
Lovely. It's not even 8 a.m. yet.
Yay.